Are you ready to receive information about what the future holds? Are you ready to hear a sincere message from your guardian angels? They have something special to share with you. They want to tell you about the moment when someone was truly impressed by your actions. The angels show that you managed to reveal something to this person that they did not expect to see. Now, this person does not know how to approach you, but it is important to understand that the message from your angels goes beyond this specific event. It also includes several ways for you to achieve luck and prosperity in the future. There are 3 signs scattered throughout this video. Each sign is associated with a phase of your journey, and you will likely encounter these signs soon. They represent the luck that exists within you, showing that you are open to the blessings of the world. Pay full attention to the message to make the most of your situation. Now, to explore more deeply the perspective of your guardian angels, it is important for you to know that a part of you that has been hidden for a long time was finally revealed during a moment of faith. This moment may have gone unnoticed by you, but it is crucial to understand that the most notable moments for a person often remain in the minds of others, even if you do not recall them yourself. This specific person can glimpse the true essence of who you are, something you may not have realized in yourself. Your angels have something significant to say about this. It is somewhat ironic, but also fascinating that a person's greatest achievements are primarily known by others. It is rare for someone to witness their own greatness and fully recognize their capabilities. This recognition comes from how your actions impact others, creating deep and lasting connections. That is why a connection with others is essential to fulfilling your mission. The person who is touched by your actions cannot erase the memory of you from their mind and heart. Your actions left a lasting and meaningful impression. Your angels may not fully understand what they observed, but they know it was something wonderful and special. Ask yourself, have you ever noticed something remarkable in another person? A relative, a dear friend, a partner? These moments can be as big as they are sudden, so it is understandable that you might not be able to evoke something specific at the moment. However, you know, deep down, that you have lived this kind of moment. This reflection leads us to the first sign of this message, the perfect reflection in calm waters. The perfect reflection is one that returns to you naturally, but in the silence of the waters, this reflection may seem deeper than usual. It is the reflection of your authentic self. It symbolizes what remains hidden, but it also represents a part of you that you rarely see. The waters rarely remain so calm as to reflect perfectly. In this context, it is a reminder of your connection with this person and what they glimpsed on that crucial day. This person wishes to give back in some way, but does not know where to start. However, know that changes are in your favor. They have the ability to improve your life and potentially change the status quo. Before coming to you, they will first approach mutual friends. They will likely ask questions, and more people will be involved in the plan. This will probably result in the offer of an opportunity you never expected. Ask yourself, is it surprising that someone plans something like this for you? Are you not used to this kind of behavior from others? One of the reasons for this is your habit of following your intuition. Know that your intuition is connected to the world, which in turn is connected to the universe as a whole. There is no doubt that the universe is preparing to reward you for your efforts. If you felt that luck was not on your side in the past few weeks, know that everything is changing at this very moment. As soon as you finish watching this video, your luck will transform in a way you may never have expected. As for the moment when this person will come to you, be patient, as it will take time and be influenced by various factors. Recognize that there is a time and place for everything, and the wait will not be prolonged. This gives you the opportunity to meditate on what is to come and reflect on your actions in recent months. Have you helped someone recently? Been generous to strangers? Offered a shoulder for someone to cry on? Know that all these actions and many others contribute to your connection with the universe. These good deeds create a network of positive energy around you, attracting blessings and opportunities. When you act with kindness and compassion, you send a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive its rewards. And the universe responds to these positive vibrations, bringing luck and prosperity your way. With these blessings comes the second sign of this video, the symbol of dreams. This manifestation of synchronicity will present itself to your soul in the coming days. You will have a vivid dream containing a symbol that may initially be hard to recall. However, you will soon notice the same symbol during your waking hours, which will immediately remind you of the dream. Pay attention to this symbol, as it represents a part of your journey. It is a beacon of luck and a reminder that the universe is protecting you. This person who was impressed by your actions wishes to play a more significant role in your life, motivated by what you have shown them. However, they are unsure how to break the ice. It is recommended that you show your friends that you care about them. By demonstrating genuine interest, your friends are likely to share this person's feelings with you, motivated by the impact of your actions. This is essential because as the relationship deepens, you will be closer to discovering your life's purpose. Considering the challenge of pursuing a goal, the guardian angels hope you take this into account. They are always ready to guide and support you every step of the way. This leads us to the manifestation of synchronicity that will conclude this video. The stone is a sign. We know that precious stones shine like stars in the night sky. However, you will find seemingly ordinary stones that shine when illuminated in the right way. The stone is a sign of extraordinary potential that is yet to be revealed. It is a remarkable sign of what is hidden within you and represents what this person observed on that significant day. This led them to wonder what other wonders you harbor within you. The stone, even though it may seem ordinary, when illuminated properly, reveals a brilliance that was hidden. Similarly, there are qualities and abilities within you that have not yet been fully recognized or expressed. This symbol serves as a reminder that within you lies incredible potential waiting to be discovered and appreciated. This person who noticed something special in you saw a part of that brilliance and was impressed. They are curious about what else you can offer and what other remarkable qualities you possess. In the coming weeks, you will encounter these signs, bringing comfort, happiness, and an aura of luck into your life. These signs may appear in various forms: a meaningful conversation, a new opportunity, or a moment of introspection. Each of these signs is a message from your guardian angels, indicating that you are on the right path and that good things are coming your way. And that concludes the message from your angels. They want you to know that you are being guided and protected. The presence of these signs in your life is proof that you are connected to the universe in a deep and meaningful way. Pay attention to these precious stones along your path. They are indicators of your growth and evolution. Remember that the journey to discovering and realizing your potential can be challenging, but it is full of rewards. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to shine even brighter. The guardian angels are by your side, ready to help you illuminate those parts of yourself that are still hidden. As you encounter these signs, allow yourself to feel the happiness and luck they bring. Use these moments as a boost to move forward with confidence and determination. Know that you have within you everything necessary to achieve your goals and fulfill your dreams. The message from your angels is clear. You are more powerful and capable than you imagine. Believe in yourself and in the extraordinary potential that resides within you. As you continue your journey, be open to the wonders that are waiting to be revealed. The guardian angels will always be by your side, guiding and supporting you every step of the way. I would like to end with a prayer for you. Lord, may the signs revealed to this person serve as a constant reminder of their remarkable potential and the inspiring moments they have shared with others. May these signs be like beacons of hope, lighting the way even on the darkest nights. Guide them so they can recognize the hidden facets of their soul, shining with the purity of a perfect reflection in calm waters. Grant them the wisdom needed to embrace every unexpected opportunity that comes their way, turning challenges into victories. As they receive the symbol of their dreams, may the universe envelop them with its protection and guidance at every step they take. May this symbol be a constant reminder that they are on the right path and that they are not alone. May the stone, a symbol of strength and resilience, be a constant light of hope, illuminating the way to self-discovery and their true purpose in life. Bless them with confidence so that they can believe in themselves, with perseverance to continue even when the path seems difficult, and with the ability to take care of their well-being in all circumstances. May they find prosperity not only in material terms, but also in peace, love, and personal fulfillment. Lord, surround them with your unconditional love and infinite mercy. May they feel your support in every decision, in every move, knowing they are being guided by a higher power that only wishes them well. Bless their days with moments of joy and gratitude, and may they always remember how valuable and loved they are. May their journey be illuminated, and may every step bring them closer to their true purpose and happiness. Amen. No matter what the future holds, the guardian angels want you to have more confidence in your abilities. They know how strong and capable you are, and they want you to recognize that too. You have been working hard recently, dedicating your time and effort to achieve your goals. However, you may have been so dedicated that you have neglected your own physical and mental needs. It is essential that you do not forget to take care of yourself. Your health and well-being are fundamental for you to continue pursuing your dreams and achieving your prosperity and happiness. Remember that you possess all the necessary resources for success. Within you lies immense strength, a determination that can overcome any obstacle. The angels are by your side, ready to guide and support you every step of the way. They want you to know that it is possible to balance your hard work with moments of rest and self-care. Take time to recharge your energy, to relax, and to connect with yourself. This is not a sign of weakness, but of wisdom and self-love. By taking care of your physical and mental health, you become even stronger to face the challenges that arise. Trust in your abilities and the support of the guardian angels. They are by your side, cheering for you and guiding your steps. Believe in yourself and in the path you are on. You have everything you need to turn your dreams into reality and live a full and accomplished life. Take a moment to let these words resonate with you. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 777 to claim this message and the blessings it contains. To help increase your blessings, share this video with your groups and others who may also benefit from the blessings and help of this video. Did you know there is a possible image of your soulmate that you can see right now? This could be someone you know or someone you have yet to meet. These images are surprisingly accurate. You need to see the picture to understand what I mean. Click the link in the description to get your soulmate's portrait. An important message awaits you in the next video. I hope every word has touched your heart and that you have found inspiration and comfort in our messages of love and hope. Always remember that you are not alone on this journey and that a higher power is looking after you every step of the way. Share this message with your loved ones, bring light to those who are in darkness, and be an agent of positive change. May God be with you, and stay tuned for the next video of faith, peace, and comfort. Amen.